Hello and welcome. We're going to start with our backs against the wall, and you'll have your heels together, toes apart a few inches away. Make sure your stomach is hugged in and really press your upper back and shoulders gently into the wall. Arms will lift up now just a little above shoulder height and then press back down. We're waking up the upper body here, connecting the arms into the upper back. Keep pulling those abs in as we circle the arms now. So they're going to make small circles at first. Most of us make circles that are too big. We go really all the way up and around. I want you to keep these circles pretty small today, so you should always be able to see your hands in front of you. Now we'll reverse it. Just make those same circles in the other direction. Feel the whole upper body waking up here. A little massage for the shoulders. And take nice deep breaths to help yourself wake up this morning. We're going to walk the feet now just a touch farther away from the wall. Dip the chin and start to roll just the upper body down. So what that means is your booty stays on the wall, abs are hugged in. You just drape the head and shoulders forward. Arms are dangling, and we're going to let the arms just swing in some little circles. This should feel really good and not that effortful. The only thing working is your abs hugging in. Let's reverse those circles in the arms, and you'll just feel that this really releases the shoulders and upper back and lets the low back and back of the neck get a really nice stretch. Letting the arms settle out now, engage your abs and roll one vertebrae up at a time. Head comes up very last. Turning to the side now, you can lift the arm closest to the wall up by your ear, hug the opposite arm around your waist, and side bend away from the wall. So we're getting a super juicy opening in the side body. We'll come back to the top and repeat. Just do this a couple more times on your own. Keep the abs lightly engaged to protect the low back and enjoy this nice side stretch. Really think about lengthening up at the top and then getting longer as you go over. And make sure both shoulders are staying nice and relaxed. Joining me back at the top, we're going to lower the arm against the wall down, lift the opposite arm up, and just reach it as high up the wall as you can. Reach, 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 spider those fingers up. And release, bring that down. And then we'll turn around and do all of that on the other side. So you're just going to switch the arm next to the wall and start those nice big side bends. Feel how after even just these couple first simple exercises, you're already feeling a little more awake and a little bit more energized this morning. Last one here, reach up to go over, really deepen that stretch, lightly hug the abs in. And then switch the arms at the top and lean in towards the wall. Get that hand up, 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 up as high as you can. 3, 2, and release it down on 1. Really nice. Turn to face your wall now and plant your hands. You'll be up on your tippy toes for some standing push-ups. So I find I like to be quite vertical here, standing close to the wall. If you're not feeling anything, you might also try walking your feet back a little bit farther and trying a different angle. It really just depends what works for you. We're looking for strong abdominal engagement here, so really pull those abs in. And I want you to do this slowly, like you're moving through molasses. Continuing to wake up the muscles in the arms, shoulders, the upper back. Hold your bent elbows now and little pulses here. In for 3 and 2 and 1. Press away and come back to standing. Hold your tippy toes position. Let your hands slide down the wall and just balance here. We're going to hold for 5, 4, waking up the lower body, 3, 2, and come down on 1. Really nice. Standing with your back against the wall now, just like we began. You can even close your eyes here. We just want to reset our posture nice and vertical. And then you're going to come down the wall. You can peek at the screen to see me. We're going to be in a little wall sit. So make sure you have knees over toes, feet hip width apart. And we're just going to hang out here and breathe. You can reach the arms forward if you want a little extra challenge for your endurance. And really commit here to pulling your belly button towards the wall. Abs should be super engaged. We're going to be here for a little while, so try to breathe into it, get as comfortable as possible. You can always come out of it and then rejoin us and build up endurance over time by coming back to this video. Bring your hands into fists now and start to flick the fingers out like you were throwing handfuls of confetti. This is especially great if you have some work to do on the computer today, which is really most of us nowadays, myself included. Plus, we're really building heat and warming up the whole body to get you ready for the day ahead. Hold the fingertips out now like you were shooting flames out your fingers and just feel the tingles. Hold for another 5. You got this. 4, 3, 2. Gorgeous. Let the arms come down on 1 and carefully stand back up. Coming again to stand with your back against the wall, reach the arms forward and then press the hands into the wall behind you. Turn the head over the right shoulder, left shoulder, center, and then exhale the arms forward. And we'll do that again. Inhale, arms press back. Hold the breath, look over left shoulder, right shoulder, center, and then exhale and reach. And we'll repeat. Inhale, pull, look, center, and exhale. One more on your own, really waking up the lungs, deepening the breath, opening the chest. Exhale, reach the arms forward, and you are all done. Thank you so much for working out with me this morning. I hope you feel energized and ready for your day. I have links in the description to the full-length classes I offer online. And if you want to support more free workouts like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on the mat.